I have been wearing clothes my whole life. But there's wearing your clothes and then there's styling your clothes. I want to give you a few little snippets on how to go from this to this. It's so easy to just own clothes, but to like actually make it look like you're, you know, putting your own personality into them. Hopefully this will be handy to help you do that. To make this really like simple and put it like in black and white, excuse the pun, if you start off with like a really basic, it's easier to build up from that. So for instance, I could be wearing this as like my base outfit. It's cute, but it's nothing like wow. The good thing with this is you can like switch out pieces. So if you start off with just something that you're kind of like eh, but you know you like the silhouette, you can grab a different piece. It just transforms it completely. It's kind of like playing, you know, the Clueless wardrobe thing where they like switch through. It's kind of like that. The whole point of this is to make like you feel good in your outfits by switching out pieces that you're like kind of you will end up with something that you much prefer. If there's anything you don't feel comfortable wearing like at all, don't force yourself to wear it. Sell that and buy something that you do want to wear. The next essential idea is layering. Obviously there is like zero layering here, but again you can do this just by switching one piece out at a time and seeing how it works. You don't need to go too crazy with this. I had a phase where I literally went insane with this and it was quite something, but thankfully we're out of that now. Go subtle with it, you know. I need to go find something to layer. This was unintentionally like really cute. Also with this, not just layering your tops, but like layering your tops with your trousers. So like this is just kind of going just over the top of them. This is the golden formula that I use. So you either want one of these three things to make your outfit kind of like, just put some effort in. Something notable in color. So say for instance like a pop of red. Shape, I love these trousers. They're kind of interesting in that way. Or texture, so like the lace. How I kind of do it is I don't go too crazy with pattern if I'm going crazy with color, because it's kind of like whoa. Just depends how you do it. Another way you can play with shape is doing like the whole little top big pants thing. Like I was wearing at the start, I had the baby tee on and then like the big trousers. Or you can do it the other way around. Big jumper and like little shorts or something. This balance kind of works really well. It's really pleasing to the eye. But sometimes I do tend to go big jumper, big pants and just dress like a teenage boy. Now something that works really well and can give like your outfits quite an unusual look to them is the mixing of aesthetics. So when I say this, I mean like, for instance, this outfit has kind of like a business casual shirt and then like the most hiking gorp core trousers you could possibly find. Another example that is probably more obvious than this is like sporty mixed with quite feminine. I just dug this t-shirt out of the wash bin for you for this, so please give it a like. It doesn't smell great. Right, this I can't particularly demonstrate right now on myself, but something that can make or break an outfit is makeup. So obviously you don't have to wear any at all. I tend to go for like a no makeup look just because it's what I feel comfortable in. For instance, doing like a bright green eye with this just would not. Bet someone out there can make it work, but I can't. So you kind of want to tie it in, if that makes sense. So if you want to do like a really over the top look, you just need to make sure that it matches the rest of the outfit in some sort of way. Another really massive element that usually gets overlooked is your hair. A hairstyle can completely change an outfit. This is one of my favorites, I can't lie. It's literally so simple. It's just clipping like a little clip back on both sides. A little something. Oh, she's thought about it a little bit. One thing I really like doing is putting bows in my hair because it just draws attention to up here. Other things I've seen people do is like put jewelry in their hair, so like little earrings or like sparkly hair accessories just to draw attention up here. You got to think about it like a piece of art. Like where'd your eye go first? And then where does your eye go? And then curate the outfit around that. This might come kind of obvious, but thinking about the little details, like the tiny things that you might think, oh, it won't make that much difference. It does. Nails can help. Like right now mine are so crusty, so I'm not going to show you. Socks. I'm wearing like a pair of long white socks. If I had them, I would be wearing white ankle socks with like the lace bit around the top. I want a balance rather than it being very top heavy like it is now, or very bottom heavy. So for that reason, I'm going to slap on my boots just because they are very dark. Kind of balances it out a bit. Can you see that? But like the darkness of the bottom and then the red at the top, it's kind of like a nice little sandwich. Only thing I would say about this is I need something else black to tie it all in again. So like a nice little black bag going on there. That's just already elevated it. Sunglasses. Personally, I think it makes such a big difference. If I could socially get away with it, I would wear them with every outfit. This A little bit. Ooh, she knows what she's doing. I love the Adidas with these. Though they had a Gucci collection where Gucci and Adidas collaborated, and that honestly might be my favorite collaboration of all time. For the purpose of trying to explain this, I've just switched back to this outfit. Using accessories in the wrong way can make your outfits really interesting. So there are literally so many ways you can do this. One of my favorite, every pair of trousers I have, I think I just have stuff tied to them. So like, for instance, you can tie ribbons to your trousers. I use this necklace. I just attach that so that there's something going on my leg, so it's not quite such a block of colour. Accessorize your accessories as well. So like with bags, I usually have something tied to them. 2 little ribbons there attached. And it already makes such a big difference because people look at it and they're like, oh, she's thought about this. I feel like the classic answer for how to make your outfits look better is like, use accessories, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, basically, accessories are the key. Otherwise, it's just a standard outfit. I like to literally be dripping in jewellery. I think it's just so pretty. It adds like a little sparkle in areas that you think wouldn't really matter, but like layering up necklaces like this one, instead of clasping it, I've just put a paper clip just to add a little bit of extra detail. Rings, ignore the crusty nails. Bracelets on both arms. Earrings. I love like the melted metal look. And then obviously I've got the chain on my thing, and then going back to like using accessories in the wrong way, tagged some of my earrings onto the bag like that. But yeah, already that's looking so much cooler, so much better. And finally, this is quite, I say it's basic color wise. Don't be afraid to stand out, like to wear a slightly bolder color or silhouette. But if you're kind of worried about that, just pair it with other stuff that is quite casual. You can do a lot and do it well, but there is doing a lot and doing it the wrong way so it looks too much. They are like my top tips on how to take your outfit from something quite basic to something quite cool. Obviously you can wear whatever makes you feel comfortable, and I fully like encourage that. This is just my own opinion, this is what I do, and I hope it was helpful. I love you all, and I hope you have a good week. If you end up creating an outfit that you really like, send it to me on Instagram, tag me. I'd love to see them. I love it when I hear that I've actually like influenced someone in that way. It's just so cool. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye. This has literally been my method of procrastinating. I was meant to do so much work today.